About this item noted, this is RX only splitter function, support 1 sender to 4 receivers by RF splitter. Buy the pair package from this ASIN, B07FR4JDT2 standard F-type RF coaxial connectors using standard F-type RF coaxial connectors to match most Icon family requirement. Lossless no latency. You can transmit your HDMI source, such as set-top box, DVR, DVD, security cameras, PC etc., to 300M 984 feet away. HDMI monitor over 75 ohm RG59 RG-6U RG7 RG11 coaxial cable with lossless no latency transmission. Plug and play, works like a charm. Just plug and play, no need to set up. Works like a charm. Connection way: HDMI source, HDMI cable, HSV375 HDMI Coax extender, TXF type coaxial cable, HSV375 HDMI Coax extender, RX HDMI cable, HDMI monitor. Resolution supported 1080p at 60 Hz/1080p at 50 Hz/1080p.